In today's busy world of freight and logistics, remaining compliant, efficient, and driver-friendly has never been more important. Perhaps no tool has entirely revolutionized the way dispatchers work more than the electronic logging device, or ELD. Ever since the Federal Motor Carrier Safety Administration required ELDs in 2017, they've become more than just a regulation. They're now vital for simplifying dispatch operations and enhancing driver assistance. In this blog post, we'll explore how ELD monitoring empowers dispatchers to make smarter decisions, reduce operational stress, and help drivers stay safe and productive on the road. What is ELD monitoring? Electronic logging devices, ELDs, are required devices that automatically capture a driver's hours of service, HOS, engine usage, location, and other vital data points. ELD monitoring is the real-time tracking and analysis of such data by dispatchers, fleet managers, and logistics staff. Important features of ELD systems: real-time GPS tracking, automatic drive time logging, HOS violation alerts, engine diagnostics and fault detection, driver performance analytics. By accessing these capabilities, dispatchers have never before seen visibility into fleet operations. Why ELD monitoring is important to dispatchers. Dispatchers are the communication conduit between the driver, the carrier, and the broker. With ELD monitoring, they can receive real-time, accurate information that enables them to schedule loads more effectively, avoid HOS infractions, improve route planning, act swiftly to address delays or emergencies, assist drivers with timely updates and direction. As reported by FMCSA, ELD implementation resulted in a 53% decrease in HOS violations and an 11.7% reduction in driver fatigue-related crashes. Talk about a game changer for dispatchers attempting to keep drivers compliant and safe. 1. Real-time visibility or smarter load planning. Real-time visibility into driver availability is one of the biggest benefits of ELD monitoring. How it helps: no more guessing. Dispatchers have complete visibility into how many hours a driver has remaining. An intelligent assignment. Load assignment is quicker and more accurate. A less downtime. Scheduling efficiency translates to fewer wait times and increased earnings. This transparency guarantees optimal utilization of driver hours without driving them over the allowed limits. 2. Maintaining compliance with HOS regulations. HOS rule violators pay dearly. They can face penalties, audit failures, out-of-service orders. With computerized ELD notification, dispatchers are alerted when a driver is getting close to their threshold. This enables them to make route or schedule changes, prevent non-compliant loads, maintain the carrier in good standing. Having a spotless compliance record also enhances CSA, compliance, safety, accountability scores, which can result in improved load opportunities and insurance rates. 3. Enabling driver safety and satisfaction. Happy, safe drivers are more efficient, and they're less likely to leave. ELD tracking assists dispatchers detect hazardous driving patterns such as hard braking or speeding. Dispatch mandatory brakes. Prevent overdriving drivers. What does this imply for drivers? She'd improved work-life balance, fewer tensions and burnout, more confidence in their dispatchers. Actually, based on a Workhound driver feedback survey, scheduling and communication are among the leading causes of drivers leaving carriers. Data from an ELD enhances both. 4. Quicker response to emergencies or delays. Weather delays, traffic congestion, and breakdowns are all part of the deal, but with real-time monitoring using ELDs, dispatchers can identify problems and respond quickly. With ELD notifications, dispatchers can reroute drivers around traffic or accidents, notify customers and brokers of delays ahead of time, initiate roadside assistance quicker. This forward thinking enhances broker and shipper relationships by keeping everyone informed. 5. Minimizing detention time and enhancing customer service. ELDs can capture arrival and departure times at shipping and receiving terminals. This information assists. Prove detention time on the bill. Identify problematic facilities. Entice carriers to negotiate improved contracts. It also enables dispatchers to provide correct ETAs, increasing reliability and customer satisfaction. 6. Using data to drive continuous improvement. ELDs don't only assist with day-to-day dispatching. They create valuable information for long-term performance analysis over time. Dispatchers can leverage ELD data to monitor trends in driver productivity, enhance routing strategies, locate operation bottlenecks, streamline back-office reporting. ELD data, when used properly, becomes a strategic decision-making tool, not merely a compliance tool. Common ELD monitoring mistakes. Dispatchers should avoid. Despite all the advantages, dispatchers need to be cognizant of common errors. Relying on data from ELD with no driver input. ELDs are instruments, not substitutes for human interaction. Cross-check data with driver input at all times. Disregarding HOS warnings. Procrastinating in responding to a violation warning can have extreme legal repercussions. Loading drivers with hours available. A driver may have hours remaining, but that doesn't imply they're rested. Always include safety and fatigue. How to get the most out of ELD monitoring. Here are a few suggestions to get the most value out of ELDs for dispatchers. Train your dispatchers. Make sure they have a complete grasp of ELD systems and how to read the data. Communicate effectively with drivers. Use ELD data to initiate conversations, not to micromanage drivers. Combine ELDs with routing and load optimization software. Use ELD data as part of a broader dispatching technology stack to provide complete visibility. Set performance. KPIs use the data from ELD to track on-time delivery percentages, idle time, or infractions. The future of dispatching and ELD monitoring. The future of ELD technology incorporates AI-driven analytics, predictive warnings for maintenance, and even load matching platform integration. With the evolution of these tools, dispatchers will be capable of making even quicker, more tactical decisions. Ultimately, the purpose of ELD monitoring is not compliance, it's empowerment. Empowering dispatchers to better serve their drivers. Empowering drivers to drive safely. And empowering the whole logistics operation to compete in a competitive environment. Conclusion: putting ELD data into action. Ultimately, ELD monitoring is about making better decisions quicker. For dispatchers, it's the difference between responding and reacting, between managing chaos and operating smoothly. By embracing ELD technology to its fullest potential, dispatchers can schedule more effectively, keep drivers safe and happy, cut back on violations and downtime, and offer great service to customers and brokers. The successful carriers in this changing world are those who leverage data to enable individuals, and that begins with the driver-dispatcher relationship. Discover how ELD monitoring helps dispatchers support drivers better, stay compliant, and optimize fleet operations in real time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on transportation topics. Anytime, any place. Be loaded.